Every New Yorko-style bagel begins in the fields where wheat grows.
Careful selection ensures only the finest grains are harvested.
Mechanical precision gathers the harvest efficiently at dawn. The harvested wheat is carefully transferred to secure storage silos.
Precision ensures every kernel enters the system efficiently.
From storage silos, the grains are transported into the heart of production. Some wheat is pre-milled into flour for immediate processing. Manual logistics complement automated systems for seamless supply.
Integration of human effort and machinery keeps production flowing.
Every batch is tracked to maintain quality from start to finish.
Stored grains are ready to enter the transformation stage.
The journey from field to factory floor completes its final leg.
The bagel factory stands as a hub of precision and efficiency.
Incoming raw materials are ready to enter controlled production areas.
Security ensures only authorized personnel handle critical ingredients.
Workers transition from exterior to production-ready zones seamlessly.
Hygiene is paramount in food production, especially for fresh bagels.
Every step is designed to maintain quality and efficiency.
Team coordination keeps operations fluid and consistent.
Safety and regulation guide every action on the floor. The first stage of transformation begins as raw ingredients enter the heart of the factory.
Before any transformation, raw wheat must be thoroughly cleaned.
Technology aids humans in removing unwanted particles efficiently. Even the smallest foreign objects are filtered out to maintain purity. Grains are sorted by size to ensure uniformity in processing. Skilled operators fine-tune every step for consistent quality. Air currents lift away dust and chaff, leaving only clean wheat behind.
Visual inspections conferred that automated cleaning meets strict standards. Clean grains are temporarily stored before entering the main processing line.
Each batch is logged meticulously to maintain traceability and quality. The journey continues as grains are milled into the foundation of the bagel.
Precision adjustments ensure the right texture for dough formation. Precision adjustments ensure the right texture for dough formation.
Separation produces consistent grades, critical for perfect bagel dough.
Each batch is measured precisely to maintain consistency. Water and flour combine in machines designed for perfect kneading.
Operators ensure each batch meets the ideal hydration and texture.
The dough is now ready for shaping into the iconic bagel form.
Mechanical rolling ensures uniform thickness and consistency for each bagel.
Every bagel begins to take shape, cut with precision for uniformity.
The dough begins its transformation into the classic ring shape.
Precision machinery guarantees consistent size and shape for each bagel. Hands-on inspection ensures every ring meets strict quality standards. Controlled humidity and temperature allow dough to rise perfectly. The bagels swell to their ideal texture, ready for boiling. Each tray is handled carefully to preserve its shape and texture. A quick boil forms the chewy crust that defines a New York bagel. Cooled and ready, the bagels move on to finishing touches before baking. Robotic systems handle delicate dough without compromising shape or texture. Automated inspections detect imperfections invisible to the eye. Complex conveyor networks streamline workflow across the entire production floor.
Operators oversee automation to maintain efficiency and quality at every stage.
Precise temperature control ensures even baking and ideal crust formation.
Sensors provide real-time data to maintain perfect cooking conditions.
After baking, automated cooling preserves texture while preparing bagels for finishing lines.
Automation synchronizes every step, ensuring each bagel meets exact standards. A final glaze adds shine and enhances the bagel's golden crust.
Hands-on attention ensures every bagel receives the perfect finishing touch.
Automation complements human precision for flawless consistency. Controlled cooling stabilizes the bagels before final quality checks.
Every piece is meticulously inspected to maintain premium quality standards.
Safety checks ensure each bagel is free from unwanted metal contaminants. Precision alignment prepares bagels for their final journey to consumers. Batch tracking ensures traceability and quality control through every stage.
Every bagel is now ready for final packaging and distribution.
Even finished bagels undergo rigorous testing to ensure perfection. Precise moisture measurements maintain ideal texture and chewiness. Mechanical testing ensures each bagel meets the signature New York chew.
Visual inspections confirm even baking and consistent appearance. Safety is paramount, with microbial testing verifying food hygiene standards.
Every result is recorded to maintain traceability and quality control.
Uniform weight and size guarantee consistent portions for consumers. The final inspection ensures only flawless bagels proceed to distribution.
Safety, quality, and precision guide every step of production.
Bagels are carefully packaged to preserve freshness and quality.
Every package is checked to to ensure perfect presentation. Palletized packages are organized efficiently for storage and dispatch.
Each shipment is tracked to maintain inventory accuracy and traceability.
And this is how modern factories produce bagels from start to finish.
Careful handling ensures bagels reach their destination intact and fresh. From the production line to distribution, every step is meticulously managed. Warehousing ensures products are stored safely until they reach stores. From raw wheat to golden, New York-style bagels, every stage tells a story of precision and care.